Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Fernando Sanchez. First we have the popular HM65RT, then the HM65RDT. Now we have the new Phoenix HM65RT V2, which is a combination of both the HM65RT and HM65RDT with better and newer features. Let's get right into it. What comes in the box? Of course, your HM65RT V2, the ARB L18 3400 mAh battery, a Sparrow ring, USB charging cord, your instruction manual that everybody loves to read, and of course your warranty card. Let's do the overview of the HM65RT V2. So on the left side, we have the luminous SST40 white LED, and on the right, we have this warm white LED with a color temperature of 3000 Kelvin. And what I love about that is that it penetrates in the rain, snow, or fog, giving you that versatility of visibility in adverse weather conditions. Now, what I love about this one that is new and stands out is the unified diffuser right here that unifies both LEDs together, giving you that even distributed light concentrated in the middle, as opposed to the previous ones that had very distinctive LEDs on the left and the right that you could tell by putting it on your head. Well, this one unifies them both very evenly. It gives you 1600 lumen output and a max distance of 185 yards, giving you that higher lumen option for any scenario. At the top, we have the dual switches that is easy to operate, separately controls the white light and the warm white light, and offers great simplicity and convenience. While you're running, you don't have to think about it. And then you have this physical protective barrier right here that prevents accidental activation. In the middle, by pressing either button, you're going to have these LEDs down the middle that tell you the battery level percentage. No more guessing what battery percentage you're in while you're on the run. It quickly tells you right here. Coming down here, this rich tooth system allows it to move freely, but it's also very sturdy and it stays in the position you want it. So whichever level you put it in, it will not fall down or move around. It will stay sturdy. And the base is very wide, so you can put it down, use it as a lantern if you want, or put it flat up to light up a room. Going to the back, this rubber boot right here comes right off, exposing the fast charging USB-C charging port. And what I love about this boot compared to the other ones is the fact that it's not loose. It quickly goes back in, making this thing IP68 rating. The whole thing is completely dust-proof and waterproof with a 2-meter impact resistance. This thing is very durable. And not only that, but it's made out of magnesium alloy, meaning that it is 30% lighter than aluminum alloy headlamps of this same size. The HM65RV2 comes with a 3400 mAh battery that provides up to 24 hours of runtime, and it's easy to take out so you can recharge this thing, put it back in with a fresh new battery. And what I love about this headlamp is that it's also compatible with 2 CR123A batteries as well for convenience. And it only takes roughly 3 hours to fully charge. The HM65RT V2 with the strap and battery included only weighs under 5 ounces, approximately 4.94 ounces, making it very lightweight. And it comes with 3 different color options. You got the black, you got the purple, and my favorite, the Nebular. It is a widened perforated headband that is very breathable, elastic for comfort, fits perfectly on your head, and these circles and the logo are reflective so you are visible at night. And now my favorite thing about this is this 2-way sport fit active system right here that not only lets you tighten it by dialing it clockwise, but now you can also dial it counterclockwise to loosen it instead of just pulling it out, giving you the ability to focus more on the run and what's in front of you as opposed to operating it, which is always useful. With all those new features, how does it compare to the previous models? The way I like to see it is the Phoenix HM65RT version 2 is a combination of both the original version and the dual spotlight version. The original HM65RT comes with the SST40 white light LED and a neutral white LED spotlight. The dual version has an SST40 white light LED and an SST20 warm white light LED. Now the new version, the HM65RT version 2, comes with an SST40 white light LED, but also has a new OSRAM warm white LED. And even though both of these have 3000 Kelvin warm white LEDs, in my personal opinion, this LED has an even warmer tone that makes it appear much brighter and does a much better job, in my personal opinion, at getting through the adverse weather conditions to be able to see even better. Now, right off the bat, you can tell that both of these have both LEDs separated, and the version 2 has them unified with this diffuser that makes the light evenly distributed in the middle. Although all three are similar in weight, the version 2 is going to be slightly lighter than all three. The original version claimed to have 1500 lumens with both of these LEDs combined together, and then the DT version also claims to have 1500 max lumens. Well, the version 2 has 1600 lumens, giving you much more power. And not only that, but comparing this one to the DT in the warm white light option, it gives you an even higher lumen output option of 800 compared to the 400 only that the DT gives you. On its highest output, the version 2 has even more candela than both of them, giving you a longer throw and a much more visibility. You also have the 3 different color options, just like the DT as well. Both the DT and original version are gonna give you the one-way Sport Fit active system that only lets you rotate clockwise to be able to tighten, and then you have to pull on the knob to be able to loosen it. Well, the version 2 gives you a 2-way Sport Fit active system. And last but not least, I love the fact that the version 2 gives you an SOS mode that both of these do not have. And on top of that, a really sweet addition is this beautiful whistle right here that lets you feel safe out in the wilderness. All right, guys, that's enough of the comparison. Let's talk about the specs. In the white light mode, we're gonna start on low. So for the low white mode, we're gonna have 130 lumens for 24-hour runtime. Then on medium mode, we're gonna have 400 lumens for a 12-hour runtime. And then my favorite, 1600 lumens for an impressive 3-hour runtime. And now heading to the warm white light mode. We're gonna start at Eco on 5 lumens for an impressive 300 hours. Next up is slow mode for 130 lumens for a runtime of 24 hours. And already in low mode, it's already really bright. Then in medium mode, it's going to give you 400 lumens for 12 hours. And then for my favorite part, 800 lumens on high mode for a runtime of 6 hours. That is insane. Check it out. Turn on the headlamp. For each corresponding mode, each button is going to individually work on each LED. To turn them on, you can press either or for 0.5 seconds and they will automatically turn on. And then to cycle through them, you just press the button again. You can go with the white light from low, medium to high. And then you can also switch modes, but just clicking the other button to switch between them. And then with the warm white light, it's gonna go into eco mode, then switch by pressing into low, medium, and high, back to eco. And then to get into SOS mode on either or, you press either button for 1.2 seconds. And it's gonna go on eco mode on the warm white light in SOS mode. And then to go back to each light, either or, you just press 1.2 seconds again, 1.2 seconds, and then you go back into the warm white light mode. Let's go back into SOS mode. And you can do the same thing with the white light. 1.2 seconds, and then you go into the white light mode. And then to turn it off, it's just 0.5 seconds. Now to electronically lock it out, you just press both buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. And it's going to flash 4 times in eco mode. And then now as I press, it's going to flash to indicate that it's locked out. And to get out of the electronic lockout mode, you just press both again for 3 seconds. And it will flash indicating that it's now back on. It has all my favorite features with newer things that helps a lot. When you're out there hiking, you never know what you may encounter, and having those features is definitely a huge plus. And with the battery life compatibility with different options and the USB-C fast charging, it makes an incredible source of light that I don't have to worry about ever losing power. The operation is very easy, so I don't have to be second guessing myself, and I can just focus on my trail run. And with the new unified diffuser, it makes the light a lot more even and centered. The only thing I do wish it had is a red light feature to be a lot easier on the eyes. Well, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one.